Number 38. Which are reasons why bacteria are often useful in biotechnology? So bacteria are quite useful for us because they help us to make what we need. And they can help us because their genetic codes are the same as ours. What I mean by that is that when we look at DNA sequence, if the DNA sequence, like a part of the DNA sequence, is like A, C, T, T, A, G, C, T, A, C, blah, 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 blah. And let's say that this sequence, or this codon, A, C, T, represents a certain type of amino acid, okay? If we put this codon into bacteria, it's going to make exactly the same amino acid. The same amino acid that's made in our body, right? So which means that the genetic code is the same. They get interpreted the same way. So if you if I want to make a human insulin, I'll just put in the human insulin gene into bacteria, and they will just make the human insulin for us. So number 2 is very crucial. And of course, one, lack of ethical concerns is very important as well. So we can just use bacteria because there's lack of ethical concerns. We don't care, right? I mean, there are living things, but the scientists don't really care about that. So yeah, which is in a way quite sad, but yeah, well, that's the way it is. So 1 and 2, let's have a look at 3. Their DNA is located in the nucleus. No, bacteria do not have nucleus. Okay, so number 3 is not correct. So A is the right answer for this one.